How to mock functions in Python in order to change default keyword arguments. I'm using the mock library and unitis2 in order to test different aspects of my software project. At the moment I have the following question: is it possible to mock a function so that the default keyword argument is different, but the functionality remains? Say I have the following code. What if I want to mock c.fun? So that every instance of C will replace keyword bool_arg with false, instead of true, and the result of returns false.
You can also try to wrap your function. Something on the line of and should work. Edit. If you want to change the default for the class and not for a particular instance, you can create a derived class and redefine fun wrapping the method of C. Something on the line, I don't have now the time to test it. Then about the suggestion of @bird, you can define def wrapper func, wrap chords, and then instead of chords bool_arg equals bool_arg do.
You can try to use this code. Hope this helps.